How to add highlights on Instagram without posting a story. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add highlights on Instagram without posting a story. First, open the Instagram app in your mobile device. Here, go to your profile. Now tap on menu on your top right. Here, head towards settings and privacy. On scrolling down, you'll find the option of hide story and live. Tap on it. Then select the option of hide your story and live from. You can select specific people to hide your story from. Once it is done, go back to your story. Here you can see a plus icon on your top right. Tap on it. Now select the option of story. Here, take a picture and then add some text on it. After that, tap on done from your top right. Select the option of your story to post it. Once it is posted, tap to open it. After that, tap on the option of highlights to add the story to your highlights. Give the name to your highlight. Then tap on add. As you can see, the story is now added to your highlights. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.